On this episode of the O2 Garage, we are down in Sellick at the historic bike race, and it's awesome. So, why would I be standing on some random southern beach out of Adelaide at 8 o'clock on the Sunday morning? Well, despite the fact that it's absolutely beautiful down the southern end of the Adelaide beaches, there's no one here either. But all is not what it seems. Come with me. Welcome to the 2021 Sellick Beach Historic Motorbike Race. And we got a front row seat because I'm the commentator. It's going to be William Struggle. What's William got? He's got the Rickman right up there, and there's no shot. Have a look at that. Oh, making those walk clear as they're coming around. And that's what guys, well, as you can see, I'm in full commentary mode and we're here at Sellick Beach with the Sellick Beach bike races. The sun's actually gone over a little bit and it's become a little bit dark and cold. As you can see, it's bloody cold. Bikes ran around a 1 mile track, so it's half a mile down and around a barrel, come back, and they've got to do it on the sand. Have a look at these guys as they're coming out now, give you a bit of an idea. They'll line up down over here and then they'll take off down the track. So let's have a bit of a look and see how they go. So when you come into pits, there's all sorts of bits and pieces to see. But the first thing you do is come and see this guy here, because he's got all the parts that have fallen off on the sand. Is that right? Oh. Is it like a lucky dip?
Not all of them, but lots of them.
Can we claim our mud guard?
Yeah. That's yours.
Yeah.
But I'm an auctioneer, so hang on a second. I got a bid of $10 over here, 20 over here for there. Oh, you give me 30 for that, mate? Give me 30 for that? All right, I'm going to take you on a bit of a tour and show you a couple of bikes. Here comes Steve with his DKW, looking very good, mate. Beautiful bikes. A lot of suicide shifters and stuff like that. This guy here.
Race 33 and 34, Group A, period 3125.
Beautiful looking Nordham. Every single bike you can think of, you can see a bike of a brand, a make, and so forth. Have a look at this. Let's work our way through. There's an aerial, there's a BSA over there, there's a matchless over there, another BSA. Davo's over there. He's a current Beachmaster. I better come and have a chat to this guy here. So, this is David Johnson, Isle of Man TT racer, all-round good guy. I won't bore you with the stuff he's done before in the past. Dave, you're the current Beachmaster here, aren't you?
Yeah, I suppose last year I won it, but
what does Beachmaster mean though?
I don't know, when you win the races and
he's very modest. Beachmaster means the fastest person around the sand. Now it's 1 mile flying up and back. Do you remember what you did it in last year?
I think it was 102, wasn't it?
102.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know what you've been doing it this year.
Yeah, I think we're fairly quicker than that, don't we?
Do you want me to tell you?
Yeah, go on.
No, I won't. I'll wait till later on.
Well, we've changed the bike a bit. I've been hitting
You have-
false neutrals in that last one, so it was,
You did a 1 minute .25,
Okay.
but you've gone quicker than that. I can't say how quicker because we've got to keep that for the very end. So, but the bike's a beast. Tell us, what is it? What's the deal with the bike? What is
It is a Triumph 650 Bonnie, and
Yep.
the master right here that's working on it, Dave Koenig, he built this bike back in the 70s.
Right.
And lots of different people raced it. He's raced it himself, his brother's raced it, my dad's raced it.
Yeah.
And my dad's also won the race here on that
It
same
looks
bike.
really powerful.
It's a good thing, yeah. With the bikes that we're up against this year, they've definitely brought their A game, and there's not much in it between the top three.
There's a Rickman motorbike that's got like, he's got a target on your back, hasn't he?
Yeah, well, he's a good rider as well. The motocross guys, both Willie and Garage.
Give him a bit of a...
Oh, it's coming. In the first race, I hadn't quite waken up yet, but we're on for the next last two scratch races.
Good luck.
Thanks, bro.
Hope it all goes really well.
Cheers, bro.
See you,
See you
man.
later. See you.
Dave's a cool guy, and that bike is such a weapon. All right, we're going to go for a bit of a cruise around here. I'll take you and show you. There's some season campaigns. Look at this guy here. How are you, mate? Lots of bikes, lots of sidecars. Have a look at this thing. Harley Davidson sidecar. Have you ever seen any? The slides that this man was doing, we need to have him certified. His sliding on the corner was outstanding. Well done, mate. All right, let's take you up this way and show you a couple of the bikes up through here. A couple of Triumphs, a couple of Nortons, bits and pieces. There's an Ace well. Look at that. That's a single cylinder Harley Davidson as well. Not a big bore one. Sneak back through here. I'm going to show you one of the rarest bikes that we currently have here. And that's this bike over here. This, ladies and gentlemen, if you've never seen it, is a Vincent. That bike is nearly $100,000 worth of bike. Super rare bike. Now, of everybody here on the beach, there's always one bad boy, and it has to be this guy here, Dick Dastardly or Dick Trice. How are you going, mate?
Good, I think. Yeah,
Yeah, you doing all right?
I hope so. Yeah.
How's the machine going?
Well, she coughed at the as I pulled in the thing, and I had to come back on the trolley of shame.
Mate, it's an awesome bike. How's it going, guys? I'm your commentator from out there, so no matter how bad you do, I'll make you look good, all right?
Oh, cheers, man. Thank
Yeah, yeah. How's the piece going? Hang on, you were riding a different bike. This guy here was riding a different bike.
Yeah, I'm only helping. I'm helping.
Are you helping? He's your competitor, mate. What are you letting him? Just
all friends here.
make sure he's not letting the back tyre down, all right?
Side cutters? Side cutters.
So there you go, guys, a little bit of a tour of the pits of the Sellick Beach bike races. Look at this, just sitting casually over here, doing absolutely nothing. Just some awesome Harley Davidson WLA. A fantastic day. Yesterday was absolutely horrible. The pits are full. Have a look at this thing over here. Just a casual Indian and a Douglas, if you don't mind. A lot of fantastic bikes. It really is a cool event. So if you ever have the opportunity and the ways and means of coming down to Sellick Beach and checking it out, it's brilliant. Absolutely is.
out in the maximum